Yeah. Yeah.
But if you want to sit,
I was wondering if I could sit here because yeah, I'm at the train station and I'm with my mom and sister. You know, I'm just gonna sit down.
huh?
Nothing. At the train station, and we're all the way there. See everything. Oh, yeah. Waiting for the train. You know, I'm really scared. Can you protect me, please? Oh, gosh. I'm sorry, Mr. Flower. Huh? Well, I have to see the flower die? That is me?
But they don't cross the yellow thing.
You guys can see.
Back up.
Kill the light. What?
Don't stand on the yellow thing.
Why? See, I drew the flower on the road. It's really hard to see, actually. The train comes. The train's gonna come over here, or maybe over here. You know, because it's our first time going on the trip.
Don't do that. That's where you get money.
It's our first time going on the trip. So yeah, I don't know if we're going on this train. See, this is the train that's near our house. It has near our house every single day. Wait, is that the train? Mommy? Mommy?
Yeah.
Is that the train we're going on? Huh? And of course, I got my new hat. And I got my new sneakers. And I look good, fresh, and awesome. Cause this weirdo with a video cam trying to record something. Video cam. I actually went for the train. Wait, mommy. Wait, mommy. Why is grandma coming to the house?
Don't mind my business.
Tell me.
No.
Tell me. We're coming? Who's coming tomorrow?
Like, it's okay.
Ah, look, you see? He was waiting so nice. So yeah. Right over there. She was inside the train. Shall we? Yeah, I'm at the train. Waiting for it. Yes, I'll see you guys later. I may make a part 2 when I'm on the train. Yeah. I mean, like today, I'm gonna make a part 2 because I'm on the train. But the thing is, this video is kind of short. This video is gonna be short. The thing is, when I go on the train, it's gonna be long because when I'm going on the train, the train's gonna take me to the Lego store. Because it's gonna go on my birthday, but it's Sunday, so yeah, I'm going today. Yeah, bye.